Welcome to my vlog! Ayan for today's video guys. And of course, pumunta ako ng mall and then I bought some Watson. Ayan, Watson haul for today's video. Ayan, so guys, nandito pa yung resibo. Okay, let's open this. Kasi guys, this is very... Gusto kong malaman nyo kung anong binibili ko. Okay, this is few things I use. Okay, so... Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Una ay... Are you ready? Shiver. Okay, this is 3+1. So, I can use this many times. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Actually, nire-repeat ko pa ni siya. Tinatapon ko naman ni siya after mga 2 to 3 uses only. So, guys, this is Shiver. Ayan. Baka magtaka kayo. I'm not a man. Okay, but I use Shiver for down all the way down. Okay, this is Shiver. Okay, so apat siya. Next item is, okay, lagay natin dito, is this one guys. Ayan, because it's really hot now, I need super matte, ayan, sun care face cream. Ano ni siya guys, like, ano nga ni siya, ay, Diyos ko. This is my first time to buy this guys. Naubusan ako ng sunblock. Sunblock de ay ni. Okay, this is sunblock. Okay? And the next one guys, of course. Ayan, this is the oil for my hair. Oo, kasi I am fixing my hair. Kailangan ko ni siya. I am Bremond. Okay? And the next one guys, syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating for the face. Ayan, yun ito siya guys, para sa mukha ni siya guys. I really like this one. Pakita ko sa inyo. If you open, hindi siya naka-sale ngayon guys. So, but normally I buy this, it's during sale. Oo, ganito ang laman niya. Biotin for my skincare. Okay, I do this for daytime. O, for daytime ni siya guys. So, ayan, balik ko lang. Ito talaga siya is for daytime. And of course, the next one is syempre lipstick. I don't have lipstick guys. Oo. So, normally ang ginagamit ko is ano is, I will try guys, this one. Try natin na siya. Ano ba to? Ayun. Saan? May pagkamahal din siya, 4,449. But this one is, patungon ko na lang ito. Ayan. Red siya. I want red kasi sabi ko I like red. So this one, red. Ayan. For only 449 pesos. Mahal. Namahalan ako nito but I really need one talaga kasi wala akong lipstick. I always use lip tint. Okay, it's time to wear lipstick na talaga. Okay, so the next one is, ayan, ganito siya guys. Ito, this is 100 pesos. This is a facial, this is for the face, like a face mask. Okay, of course. And another, guys, another face mask. Dalawa ang binili ko nito guys because I really wanted like, I really wanted to magpa-pretty tuwing gabi guys. So I really like this one. Okay, and of course this is also face mask. Ayan. Face mask, and of course this one is also face mask. Yay! Okay. So that's it guys. Wala nang laman. Thank you for watching my Watson haul. Thank you po. See you on my next vlog.